Hey guys, it's Laura. Let me show you something that lives not only in our garage, but also in my husband's business truck. This right here. Do you have a plumber in your life? Do you have an auto mechanic in your life? Do you have someone that just loves DIY in your life? This is a great one. Watch this. Oh, this is one of the things I love. It just hangs up so you can see what you're doing and leaving your hands free. So you have not only a 45-degree angle, but it even goes a little bit farther. So maybe a 110, so you can see in all different angles if you would like. Right now I have the 2-volt battery on there, so it would use just to light up the world here. Now, if you were my husband, you would use it to all the time with the kids. Let me just tell you, they kind of fight over this thing. Now, if you were, let's see, I'll take out the 2. I could have turned it off. It does fit with all the RIDGID batteries. Like this one, we have the 4 that's nearby. Lasts a little bit longer. Shines bright. So if you are in need of a great flashlight in DIY home or in business, this would be one I would choose.